menstrual pain. That's number 1. Number 2, giving birth. Number 3, menstrual pain. Jesus Christ. Life is hard, man.
Physically, the things we have to go through, and then the things that society makes us have to go through is definitely more difficult.
We just have to go through more things, especially like not even only being a lady, being a black woman, it's even harder as a minority. So, I mean, everything we do, we have to prove ourselves that we're just as good as a man.
It's definitely harder for women just because we have so much pressure on us and everybody's watching us, and there's so much stuff that we can't do because we're women, and there's so much we're expected to do. We're expected to want to have a family. We're expected to care more about our relationship and invest more into this instead of into our career. And if you don't, then people judge you.
We get paid less, and we have to pay more in terms of products and makeup and, you know, cosmetics, stuff like that. Just in general, women's stuff costs more. At least I think so. Actually, I think that's factual.
But then if you focus more on your career and being goal-oriented, and they see that you don't have a husband or you don't have a family, then people will judge you. It's like, okay, she has this career. Why doesn't she have any children? Why doesn't she have a husband? And then you end up 50 and you want to have a baby, and people are judging you now. It's like, well, if you wanted to have a kid, you should have had it when you were struggling to make it. So it's like you can never win as a woman.